Because no, I was gonna say fire. No, this is corny. But yeah, we're gonna expand the Ottoman Empire again. The last one did not do I mean, it's only been like a day, so like I can't really expect it to be that good. Oh, and my word, 24,000 money. Can we attack Greece? Yeah, let's go. Greece, you are ours. Ha 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 ha. You will die, Greece. Bro, do you read this, Greece? Attacking Greece is so expensive. Right now we can attack Greece. It's worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Let's go, guys. We're gonna attack Greece. Let's go. Okay, why am I singing the corny music? Alright. Go get Greece. I don't really have much to say right now. Country bus are cool. Shout out to Louis Plays, cause yeah. Also, this is like... Okay, now we have Greece. Let's go ahead and upgrade their facilities. Should we go attack Romania now? Yeah, they're weak. Not really weak, but like I just said it. Okay, I just need 40, 50, 50. Plane. As you know, guys, I love my planes. Ooh. Right there goes Qatar. Plane. Oh, I didn't want to get 12. This is peak. Get max possible. How much Air Force do we need? I'm guessing like exactly 50. Why exactly 50? Ballistic missiles. Plane. Just give me that plane. Give me that plane. You know, I'm just gonna skip grinding for the money, okay, guys? I'll see you whenever I get the money. Pointless, that literally took like 2 seconds. Whatever, let's just go ahead and attack Romania now. Yep, I can attack Romania. Goodbye, Romania, your independence is short-lived. And boom, there we go, we have colonized Romania. Let's go. Where's this? Let's go put it there. I'm just editing a bit, like, yeah, I'm gonna edit this video after. Alright, should we get Israel? Yeah, let's get Israel. That's they have lived far enough. Great, you know what that means. Oh, I forgot to upgrade Qatar. Let me just do this real quick. Let me just check if there's anyone else I forgot to upgrade. No. I got the money, but there's a rebel update in Sudan. Local army to 18. Okay, let's do that. There you go. Right now we can attack Israel. Give me that plane again. Alright guys, let's attack Israel. This will take a long time, so yeah. We're gonna attack Moldova? Okay. Okay. Moldova will be... Okay, let's local army to 10. Let's quickly do that. I forgot I had Moldova. Alright, back to pausing. Also, I saw a plane. Give me that plane, quickly. Okay, now we have Israel. Now we can upgrade their industries, produce feathers, medicaments, factories, and mine diamonds. Nice. We need to attack these guys, but they have 7. That's so much. It's so expensive. No, I don't want to do it because it's too expensive. All right, let's go ahead and attack these guys. I think we can risk and get another 70,000. Oh no, we're gonna have to wait for this again. Plane, that'll speed up the process. I love the way I'm just casually destroying planes. Isn't that just like so peak? Like, why would you possibly not want to get like planes just to destroy them? Back, yeah. Okay, now we can attack Slovakia. You know, you're not really cutting out. I'm just cutting out the most stupid parts because like, it's just so boring, just having to just like get all of this again and again and again and again and again, just having to wait. Like, so like I decided to do this. Yeah. How much health does Czech you have? Can I not? Okay, that's like 70 him. Why is there so many 70s? I would love a nuke, but I can't get a nuke. So I'm gonna go Slovakia. I think, well, how much does Ukraine production have? 50? Okay, that's weak. Bro, why does he keep? I'm actually not gonna cut it out because it's enough cutting this out. Cause I don't like. It's gonna be cool. Give me that. No, I just want to get that. Do. I am recording a video at 2 p.m. So yeah, if you would like to join me, then yeah, go ahead. Go to join me, cause yeah. I sort of keep on doing this. Also, I don't even know if this will be out by like 2 p.m. because it's like 12 minutes left. And I need to get so much things done. Bro, I clicked on that plane. For Ukraine, yeah, we basically need 50 to 47. Yeah, okay, I understand. Let's do that. And I clicked the button. Let's go. I actually wasted like 90% of my money. I'm just gonna get that. Plane. Oh, I need to stop. I'm like zoning. No idea what happened. Alright. Oh my word, why? I am zoning out again. No, okay, stop singing the music. The music is not for singing. After this, I need to get these 2 countries, and then, yay, you rebuilt it, and then they have that one. What is this? Survival update, local army of 36. No, why am I whispering? There's no need to whisper. There's no need to whisper. What did it say? How much? Okay, Israel. No, give me 36. I think I've gone to 40. Yeah, let's go. That's good. Okay, guys. Ukraine is gone. 10. You're kidding me. That is not real. That keeps on happening. I don't believe it. This is not the war. Look at them fighting for their beautiful country. Also, Russia's dead, but like I don't get why Russia's not like I don't get it. Let's go. So now, dear hours. Seed oil factory. What is that? All right, that's enough. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. I don't really have anything else to do, so goodbye.